A site is pretty boring with just text. Images, videos, and icons can significantly improve the overall appearance and aesthetic quality of the site, and they're pretty easy to add too. For demonstration purposes, WebDevTutorials has a small library of images that you can use in projects. However, note that you can also use any image URL that you own. These demo images are available at develop.webdevtutorials.net/images. Videos are available at the same URL/videos. Let's start with adding images. HTML has an element called image, img. The attribute that specifies the location of the image is source. There are also a few optional attributes. For example, alt creates alternate text. It's the text that appears when you mouse over the image. It's usually a good practice to use alternate text for screen readers to understand what the picture is of. You can also use the class equals image responsive to make the image shrink if necessary. If you don't make it responsive, the image will always render at full size. Note that the image tag does not have a closing tag. Now let's look at adding video content. It's not hard to guess what tag we use. The video tag. Here are the attributes that you may wish to include. The source attribute specifies the location of the video file. The height and width specify the size of the player in pixels. Autoplay specifies that the video should play when the page finishes loading. For this attribute, there's no need to type equals true. Simply including the attribute will set it to autoplay. Controls, like autoplay, tells the browser to include play and pause buttons. For the video tag, make sure you close it. Okay, let's look at icons. Bootstrap is configured with Glyphicon's halflings, a nice set of icons for use in web development. To use one, we use the span tag. Set the class to Glyphicons, then the name of the icon, such as Glyphicon Repeat or Glyphicon Plus. Make sure to close the span tag and make sure to use the span tag within a P or a heading tag. Here are a few examples of Glyphicons that you can use in your projects. With images, videos, and icons, your website will be much more lively and fun. Next tutorial, we'll look at a major aspect of modern websites, forms.